So basically in this video I will be teaching you about logical operators in Python. So in Python basically we are having three logical operators which are AND, OR and NOT. So basically they are used to club statements like two or more statements together. So like for example uh, like if you just check this condition, like if you assign x equal to 3 and you check x less than 4, then it gives me true, right? It gives me true here. And so uh, like if you want to use the AND logical operator, you can like actually do x equal to like x equal to 3 and x is less than 4, sorry, not less than 5. So it gives us basically false. This is because AND basically combine these two statements. What AND does it, like if this is true and this is also true, so the interpreter will check this statement also and the next statement also, and if there are more consecutive statement, it will check that also, that if all are true, then the result will be true, and if any one of them is false, the result will be false. So if I do it like this, x equal to 3 and x less than 4, I will get true because this is also true and this is also true. Now suppose if I want like even if one condition is false, if another one is true, I should get the value as true. Then I have to use the OR operator, like x equal to 4 and x, sorry, or x less than 5. Any one can be true, then I should get true. So I am getting true here. So how does the OR operator work is, if this statement is false here, it will go to the next statement to check. Now suppose if the first statement is itself true, or x less than, then if the first statement is true, then it will not go to the second statement to check, because if any one statement is true in our condition, it will give us output as true. So you can see that I am getting true here. So this is the use of OR operator. Now suppose like basically and I have explained, or is like this, and what not does is, if you are getting like true as output, it will give you false, and if you are getting false, it will actually give you true. So it will give the reverse output. Or so you can see earlier I was getting true here, but I have used not, so it is giving me the reverse output here. As you can like check here on the my Windows screen, that I am getting the anti opposite output here. So like basically there are three main logical operators: and, or, and not. I will be like explaining you these in detail, like you will be see them in working when I will be going to if and else statements. But generally they are used like this. You can actually club more statements here, like x equal to 4, not 4 actually, x equal to 3, uh, x equal to 4 and x less than 5, or x equal to 3. So you see it is giving me true because the result of this statement is false, but this statement is true here. So because this is or, it has checked the AND condition, so based on the or, it is giving me the true value here. I hope you understand. And comment on my channel. I hope you understand. If you like if you understood, please and like comment if you have any doubts, and like subscribe to my channel for more such videos in future. Thank you.